Do you know, 95% of the large organizations reported having a dedicated PMO? If you have ever worked in the project management industry, you must have come across the word PMO. Even small organizations are very much inclined to set up PMO. PMO remain popular among larger, as well as smaller firms. Do you know what exactly a PMO is? How it is different from a project team? What is its significance in project success? If these questions are echoing in your mind, then you have come to the right video. In this video, we would learn about PMO and its importance. PMO stands for Project Management Office. A project management office is a team, or a department that sets and maintains standards for project management throughout an organization. The PMO is in charge of creating procedures and best practices that will help projects to reach their objectives. A PMO can be an internal or external group of people that define project management processes and procedures. These standards are unique to the company, which is usually based on the type of business and type of projects that the company handle. Each organization has its own way to do projects. The same project can be done in different ways by two different organizations. The PMO is the keeper of documentation, guidance, and metrics for project execution, ensuring projects are completed on time and within budget. PMOs create project documentation, best practices, track metrics, and offer training. They also report project progress to executives and stakeholders. PMO help prioritize projects and ensure projects support the overall business objectives of the enterprise. However, not every company has a PMO, nor does every company need it. They are beneficial as the number of projects grows in an organization, which increases the risk of failures. So, it is worth exploring the idea, if your company need a project management office. Your organization may need a PMO, if projects in your company are repeatedly delayed and record cost overrun. If projects are not meeting company goals and strategy, it definitely represents the lack of PMO. If your company stakeholders do not have clarity on project progress, and projects do not have a standardized management process, then you must form a project management office to address such issue. The activities of PMO may look similar to a project team. However, project management office is not a typical project team. While a project team is individual, taking care of a particular project from start to finish, a PMO is a team of specialists who work at an organizational level to ensure work done by the team is meeting company standards. A project team's duties include defining project goals, data gathering, task scheduling, and managing the project's costs, budgets, and resources. PMO has bigger scope and implementation. It is a multidisciplinary team of controller, planning, finance, risk management, and resourcing specialists. They collaborate to ensure that all organizational projects are delivered with high quality and achieve their defined outcomes. This is achieved by mapping out business goals and types of projects. This requires defining processes, workflows, methodologies, constraints, and procedures. PMO staff are highly experienced professionals, having at least 10 years of project experience on average. Project management office operate according to the organization's goals, so each PMO is structured differently. The majority of this team report directly to a vice president or C-level executive. So, basically, PMO is the think tank of project operations in any organization and guides project management activities. And, if you would like to know more about project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.